Hey y'all, it's Joanna, and I love to DIY on a budget and make beautiful home decor. And if you like to sew, then catch me on Saturdays. Now, let's get crafty. Okay, y'all. So for this first one, I have my DIY paint stain, and I'm not using wax because nothing sticks to wax. So this is burnt umber, water, and black paint mixed together to make a stain. And I'm going to stain my box inside, outside, and all around. And these little boxes I normally get at Hobby Lobby with little wood cutouts in them. And I have an abundance of these because I love little wood cutouts because I have an obsession. But anyway, yeah, we're not going to talk about that. So I'm going to paint this thing in, like I said, inside, outside, and black. And then I need some coffee. Do you see that up there? I need some more coffee. So it's painted or stained or whatever. And I've got these stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I am just going to take these stickers and I'm going to peel them off, but I want that one in the middle because it's a little family and it's so cute. But I'm going to cut this house off because it doesn't fit with my family. Okay. And then I'm just going to peel them off and I'm going to stick them right smack dab in the middle. And then I'm going to set the other ones around. Whichever ones fit is going in the square. Okay. Some of these don't fit. Some of them do fit. And I'm going to get them and I'm going to put them around my squares. And I'm probably not going to make sense doing it. I'm just going to stick them in there. I'm making a shadow box. That's what I'm doing. All right, so I got my weld bond, and I'm going to take my weld bond, and I'm going to use this little squeegee thingy, and I'm going to smear some weld bond in there. And what I'm doing is I'm smearing it around. I don't want it on the edges, and then I'm going to pull my squeegee down and offload that glue down in that square there. And then I'm going to take that faux snow. Yeah, that faux snow stuff. And I'm going to stick it in all of my little squares. So look it. It's so pretty, ain't it? And then I thought, well, it looks kind of bare. Now, I don't know if I should have did this or not. Now, y'all tell me, would you have done this? Wait till it's done. Don't just judge it by what it looks like right now. Okay. But wait till I get done. Now, I got this yarn at Dollar Tree. Okay. And I'm going to use it to line out my squares here just because I think it looked better to have a little something, something on those squares. And then I'm going to paint the outside around that white. Yeah, see? And there, that one's done. And I put a hanger on the back to hang it up. It's cute. I love it. So now I've got this one. This is one of those little, I don't know, like paint board. And this is so easy. I'm telling y'all. I still didn't get no coffee. But I'm going to take a sock. Okay? It's going to be my hat. And I'm going to put this hat, I'm going to put this sock across this, make me a little hat here. And I ain't worried about the heel because it's all going to work out. Watch. It's all going to work out. So I'm looking for something. What am I looking for? Oh, I'm taking Fluffy. This is from a pillow. And I'm going to stuff it up in that solid part right there. I so forgot I did this. I did this 2 weeks ago, and then I didn't have one for the first of the month winter DIYs and forgot. I thought I already did this. I would have had a video if I would have just sat down and edited it and didn't think. My brain is not working because of this kitchen. But anyway, I made a little ball for the top of the hat, and then I'm going to fold that sock up a little bit. I put the knot in the back. It was driving me nuts. It's okay because that sticky thing is in there, and you got to not glue that where I'm gluing this down. It's all going to make sense in a minute. But I'm not gluing across that stick. I'm going to push it up a little bit so my stick comes out, because you got to set it up. And then I'm going to glue that into a little, like a little swoopy thing. You don't have to do this. I just did because I thought it was cute. And then, of course, I'm going to use those stickers that I got from Amazon. And that's going to be my face. I'm telling y'all, easy, 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 easy. Now I want to make a scarf to match. And I had another sock, so why not? So I'm just going to cut the top of this sock off, okay? And then it was wide. So I think I cut that in half. Or I cut another piece of sock. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, I cut another piece of sock. I didn't even use that one piece because I just take these two that I just cut and glue them together because that didn't match. Yeah, take that one. Glue those two together. I'll get it in a minute. And then, yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to do it, y'all. I'm going to glue them together. If y'all hear crunching, my dog's eating. But anyway, I'm going to glue these together and I'm going to push them together real, real tight. And burnt my finger. It come through them holes of that sock. And then I'm going to put that on the side because it's ugly. I don't like it. So I'm going to stick it on the side after I trim it up. And I'm going to just tie this around. I guess I put all this on to figure out where I wanted my face to go. And I just tied a knot in it. But I am going to tack it. I'm going to glue it and tack it on so it don't slip down it. Because, I mean, it's really slick. So you can glue this on the back. Just make sure your stick's hanging out so you can, you know, set this thing up. And that's when I tacked down my hat. I knew I did, but I didn't know when. So, yeah. So I'm going to play with this thing for a minute, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I put the knot out. I'm going to glue it down too. Yeah. I have got sock fluff everywhere. Y'all, these things are so bleh. So I'm going to take this face right here because it's kind of big. And I figured it would fit better. I'm going to put my nose right there. And then all you got to do is stick your face on. And these are from Amazon. They're pretty good stickers as long as you're not putting them on a round surface. So when I get this on, then I'm going to take Mod Podge and Mod Podge all over that face. And this is Ultra Matte Mod Podge. I did have to mix a little water with mine and put it in that bottle there. But anyway, I put pink cheeks on it, and it's so cute, ain't it? I love it. So I got this star, and snowflake, and I'm going to glue this snowflake right to his hat. And that gives him a little something, something up there. And then when I glue this snowflake down, I'm going to get my little container of snowflakes. And I thought I didn't like that hole in it. So I'm going to take not that one. I'm not going to do that one. Don't pull that paper off. Okay. I'm going to get one of these little ones. And I'm going to glue that little one right down in the middle of his snowflake hole because it had a hole in it and I didn't like it. So anyways, that's just cuter anyway. So there he is. You can stand him up. He's so cute. Yeah. Come on. Come on. What are you doing now? Oh my goodness. I forgot I did this. Okay, well, apparently now I'm going to stick these plastic berry ball things in here. I don't know what these come from. I just had them in my stash. And I'm going to clip them. And I'm going to tuck them in. And I'm going to glue them right around that snowflake. I guess I'll show you that in the final reveal. Y'all. Okay, so I made one of these, a big wood sign. And I thought, I had these plastic plates and I thought you can make these out of anything. So I'm going to take vinyl. And this, you can get vinyl from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, anywhere, Michael's. And I'm going to draw my face on here, okay? Now, I'm going to cut this out with scissors. You do not have to have no special cutting machine. All you need is some vinyl and a pair of scissors, okay? And I'm going to cut around this fat line that I drew. And then that is going to be his mouth. Now you have to be careful because it's real skinny, okay? It's like a thin piece. And yeah, you don't want to cut it and you don't want to rip it because you went through all this time. I've got this sped up. It took a minute to cut this out. Look, see? And then I'm going to cut out a carrot nose. And I'm just going to cut the shape of a carrot. And if you want to draw it out, draw it out. But I'm just cutting this out like that right there. I always cut my carrots all weird. I got that too fat. I didn't like it. So I'm going to trim it up a little bit. Just to make it a little thinner. And then I am going to trim it again. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Get with the program, honey. Am I happy with that? I don't know. And then I'm going to cut out some eyes. So to get them the same shape, I folded a piece and I'm just going to cut them out. There's my little oval eyes right there. Y'all, this is easy peasy. They look like chunks of coal, don't they? They're so big. But anyway, there's the hat. I got these mittens. They're child mittens and a little hat from Dollar Tree. And I glued it on with hot glue. Okay. And I'm going to glue the hat to the hat band to the hat. And then I'm going to glue it on the plastic plate. Now, if you don't want to use hot glue, you're more than welcome to use Titebond Quick and Thick would be good. But what would be better would be fabric tack or the other one. It's just like fabric tag, but I can't remember what it is. So now, once I got my hat on, I'm going to put my faces down here. So I'm going to take a pokey tool because I couldn't get it off. And I'm going to do this just like you're weeding vinyl. Okay? There it is. And I'm going to smack it down. I'm telling y'all, this is so easy. You can do this on a pizza pan. You can do it on a piece of wood. I just had these white plates and thought it'd be cute. So there went one eye. And I'm going to put the other eye on right there. And then I'm going to peel it and put her nose on. And when I'm done with this, I do take some markers. Paint pens. And I'm going to paint lines in it. Now, if you don't have vinyl, you can surely paint the face on. But I'm just going to put my eyes on right there. This is an acrylic paint marker. And put some, little doodles in there. And then I'm going to go around the nose and put some little doodles on it. And that is so cute, ain't it? She's precious. And then I'm going to put some cheeks on it with probably, I think I put cheeks on it with Distressing Ink. Yeah. So I'm going to put the gloves on. Did I do them the wrong way? Oh, no, I didn't. I just had to put my hands over my mouth to see which way my thumbs go. I'm crazy like that. Anyways, I'm going to glue these down. I'm going to glue them together. And ain't it cute? It's precious. Well, I'm going to get some snowflakes and embellish it. Because you know how I do. I'm going to put some on the mittens and on the hat. And here is the final reveal. Aren't they just cute? I love them too right there. You can see the berries I put in there and then the snowflakes. But look at this first, because I got to do first. I added little snowflakes from them stickers up in the corners, except in the middle, and there wasn't no room. But I added a little snowflake in there too. And then there's the snow, and it is so cute. I'm going to hang it. I'm going to do my bathroom and snowman and my kitchen and gingers. But anyways, yeah, so there's that one, and I think it's cute. Tell me what you think. I don't know. Which one of these is your favorite? I'd like to know. There's the little snowflakes on her mittens, and she's just so cute, ain't she? I love doing these things. They're so cute. And then there's my goofball down there with the blue hat on and his goofy eyes. I think they're all just cute. Y'all let me know which one's your favorite. I thank you so much for watching. Y'all are a blessing. Sorry for my commentary and all the mess ups and long lollygagging, running my mouth and all that. But I do thank y'all for sticking with me. Thank you for being here. And until next time, remember, you are a blessing. Goodbye.